Hey, festive friends! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something we all need this holiday season. A survival guide to help us stay fit and healthy amidst the festive feasts. Because let's be real, we all want to indulge a bit without feeling like we've taken a one-way sleigh ride to overindulgence, am I right? Before we unwrap these tips, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the jingle bell for notifications. Now, let's slay these holiday feasts. Plan ahead. First on our list, planning. Schedule your workouts like you would a holiday party. Trust me, your body will thank you. And if you're feeling extra festive, invite a friend for a workout day. Sweating together is so much more fun. Planning is not just about workout, it's about setting a mindful tone for the season. Take a few moments each day to plan your meals, ensuring they're balanced and nutritious. This proactive approach will set you up for success, making those festive feasts all the more enjoyable. Now, on to indulgences. But we're talking about the healthy kind. Swap out those sugar-loaded cookies for some festive fruit platters or dark chocolate-covered almonds. Delicious and guilt-free. Healthy indulgences are not just about what you eat. They're also about how you approach festive gatherings. Bring a healthy dish to share with friends and family. You'll be surprised how much everyone appreciates a tasty yet nutritious addition to the table. Spread the joy and the health this holiday season. Dance party. Who says workouts have to be boring? Crank up those holiday tunes and turn your living room into a dance floor. It's a fantastic way to burn calories and spread some holiday cheer. Plus, you'll be the star of your own festive fitness show. Exercise doesn't have to be a chore. It can be a celebration. So, put on your favorite holiday playlist, gather your loved ones, and dance your way to fitness. It's not just good for your body, it's fantastic for your soul. Stay hydrated. Cheers to hydration. With all the festive drinks flowing, it's easy to forget the good old H2O. Make it fun by infusing your water with seasonal fruits like cranberries and oranges. Stay hydrated, and your body will be singing Jingle All the Way. Staying hydrated is not just a health tip, it's a self-care practice. Use this time to pause, take a sip, and appreciate the simple joy of staying refreshed. Hydration is the key to feeling your best, and it adds a touch of festive flavor to your day. Let's talk about mindful eating. Savor each bite. Put your fork down between bites and engage in conversation. It's not a race to the last cookie. It's a celebration of flavors. Your taste buds and waistline will thank you. Mindful eating goes beyond the table. It's a mindset for the entire season. Practice gratitude for the nourishing food on your plate, the company around you, and the joy of the holiday season. It's not just about what you eat. It's about appreciating the whole experience of festive feasting. And there you have it. Our holiday season survival guide to keep you fit, healthy, and jolly. Which tip are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and share it with your festive friends. Until next time, stay cheerful, stay active, and stay fabulous. Happy holidays, everyone! And remember, the only thing we're gaining this season is holiday joy, not extra pounds. See you in the next video.